hindi na natin ngayon kailangan pang maghati ng VAT input tax attributable to government sales because wala na tayong tinatawag na standard input tax simply because creditable VAT withholding system na tayo ngayon. So, ang ibig sabihin ng creditable VAT withholding system, wala na nga tayo nung sinasabing 7% standard input tax. So, wala na tayong standard input tax. So, ang mangyayari ngayon dito, sa input tax na attributable to sales to government, actual na siya. Actual na. At isa sa mga amendments ng ating train law sa tax code natin ay yung value added tax. Tama po ba? 12% VAT po yan. At yung computation po ng 12% VAT payable o yung VAT payable na i-remit natin sa Bureau of Internal Revenue ay ganito lang kasimple. Output tax, yung 12% from the our sales. So, itong pinag-uusapan po natin para po ito sa mga VAT registered taxpayers saka sa mga VAT registrable taxpayers. Sa mga non-VAT po hindi po ito applicable sa atin, okay? Kinakaltasan ka ng 5% value added tax withholding. Tama po ba? Tama. 5% final VAT withholding. So, ang tawag po dun dati, 5% final VAT withholding. So, kung seller of goods ka, ang total na ikakaltas sa'yo ay 6%. 5% sa VAT, 1% sa income tax, representing the sale of goods. Kung service ka naman, 7%. 5% sa VAT and 2% sa income tax from the sale of services. Tama po ba? Yung any input tax, actual input tax or input tax attributable to sales to government, okay? 7% lang yan. Ang tawag niya sa 7% na yan, standard input tax or SIT. Kasi nga, yung 5% mo na winidheld ng government agency, yun na yun. Yun na yung babayaran mong VAT. Attributable only to sales to government. Yun na yun. So, whether yung actual na input tax attributable to sales to government or directly attributable to sales to government is higher than 7% or lower than 7%, may 5% ka pa rin babayaran. Sabi niya dito, Section 4-114-2, withholding of VAT on government money payments and payments to non-residents. Letter A, withholding of value-added tax. So, yung government agency po nagwi-withhold ng value-added tax. Ganun lang kasimple. The government or any of its political subdivisions, instrumentalities, or agencies, including government-owned or controlled corporations, shall, pag sinabi pong shall sa batas, mandatory yun. Before making payment on account of each purchase of goods and services, which are subject to the value-added tax imposed in sections 106 and 108 of this code, deduct and withhold the value-added tax imposed in section 106 and 108 of this code, deduct and withhold a final value-added tax at the rate of 5% of the gross payment thereof.